Welcome back. BJP can rule the state for the next 25 years if grassroots level party workers are taken into confidence in decision making. I have no grudges against CM Manohar Parrikar, BJP MP Sripad Naik told Prudent in its weekly program Counterpoint. Naik said that few BJP leaders have hurt the feelings of sincere party workers for which they are upset with the party.
एक कोणतरी ते ठरयता आणि आपल्याक जाय तेच करता अशें दिसून आयलें. निश्ठावंत कार्यकर्तेच कुशीन उरले. हाजी करणारे काही लोक जे नवीन आयल्यात हांकां वरचें स्थान दिलें गेलें. ह्या गोष्टीचो म्हजो हें आशिल्लो.
तुमचो रोष एक्झॅक्ट कोणाचेर आसा?
म्हजो रोष एक्झॅक्ट पर्रीकाराचेर ना. पक्षा अंतर्गत जो काही हें आसा निर्णय घेतल्यात त्या निर्णयान म्हणजे म्हजे सारको कार्यकर्तो कुशीन उरलो. अशे तरेन बरो कार्यकर्तो हो रागार जाता आनी मागीर घरा बसता, पक्षाक तें नुकसान जाता. होच ताचे फाटलो अर्थ आशिल्लो. लोकसभेत जो कितें बेसता पार्टी म्हाका विश्वास आसा की 3 वेळा एक व्यवस्थितपणे म्हणजे हो मतदारसंघ जो आसा उत्तर गोव्याचो की केन्नाच एकदां रावल्लो MP दुसरे फावटी निवडून येवना. गोंयच्या उत्तर गोव्याच्या जनतेन म्हाका 3 वेळा म्हणजे हॅट्रिक करपाची संदी ह्या म्हाका दिली आणि म्हणून आज सुद्दां केंद्रान NDA जे भारतीय जनता पक्षाच्या लिडरशिपी सकयल सरकार येवपाचे प्रयत्न अशे तरेचे वातावरण आसा आणि ह्या हेतून निश्चितपणे चवथ्यांदाय पार्टीचे कार्यकर्ते उत्तर गोव्याची सुज्ञ जनता ही चवथ्यांदा म्हाका निवडून दितली अशी म्हाका खात्री आसा. म्हजो तुजो न करता जेणी पक्षा खातीर गेली 25-30 वर्सां सतत जाणी कश्ट काडिल्ले आसात तांकां तांच्या फाटीचेर एक हात फिरोवपाचें काम हे पक्षा तर्फे जावंक जाय. तांचो योग्य सन्मान हो तांकां निश्चितपणे दिवंक जायो आनी सगळ्यांक एकत्र करून सगळ्याच्या आदाराचेर पार्टी अशे पद्दतीन मजबूत जातली. काँग्रेसीक फुडल्या येणाऱ्या 25 वर्सांक भारतीय जनता पार्टीक ताच्या सरकारा हांगसरल्यान हालोवपाची ताकद उरची ना.
Is Goa becoming more and more unsafe for children? Crime against children are on the rise. Figures from State Home Ministry say so. 2012 saw the highest number of cases registered under Goa Children's Act. 125 cases are reported in 2012, out of which 80 are still under investigation. Most of the cases are reported in the commercial capital Margao. Irony is, not a single accused was convicted nor acquitted in the last year. Watch this report.
Have a look at this table. The figures have come from Home Ministry. The crimes against children are on rise in state. A sharp shoot up in 2012. Commercial capital is becoming more unsafe. The highest number of cases recorded are in Madgaon. Now have a look at this chart. It shows the reported and detected child abuse cases. But the pendency is alarming. Justice is getting delayed. In 2012, which witnessed highest number of cases, nobody is convicted nor acquitted. Justice delayed is justice denied. The state of affair in trial courts probably demands fast-track trials of child abuse cases to punish the guilty. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Botanical Society of India has successfully cultivated different varieties of organic crops in Talegaon. Society has decided to further promote organic crops in the states as some farmers in Goa are making use of chemicals and urea in their fields. Members of society say if farmers continue usage of chemical fertilizers, it will harm the fields in the long run.
This is Vito Gom's farm in Talegaon. Members of Botanical Society have successfully cultivated different organic crops in this field. On Sunday, 3rd Feb, it was an open day at this farm, and more than 100 people visited this place to witness success of organic farming. In organic farming, compost manure, cow dung, etc. is used instead of chemical fertilizers and urea. Society claims that compost manure is good for fields and produces more healthy crop. Botanical Society plans to promote more organic farming in Goa.
I'd say the percentage of farmers that grow organically is probably very small today, and there's probably another group of people that are doing it by default but they don't realize that they are growing organically, and these are the people who need to be promoted.
Farm owner Vito Gomes says they are selling many exotic vegetables to hoteliers in Goa. It takes time to switch over from urea-based farming to an organic one.
We expect things to grow take care of it organically in all our fields which we have.
Rakesh Kandolkar for Prudent Media.
The major problem of the state is not corruption but maladministration. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar realized it after 9 months of taking charge as the chief of the state. Parrikar was interacting with members of Goan travel and hospitality industry at a meet organized by Tourism Department.
In fact, when I became Chief Minister, I had a feeling that corruption is the biggest problem of Goa. Sorry, I was making a mistake. Maladministration, bad, in fact no administration was the biggest problem of Goa for the last 7 years. And that results into no tool with you to function. But if someone tries to cheat the government also, it will be taken equally harsh in a harsh manner.
Interaction session with the Goan travel and hospitality industry was organized by the State Tourism Department. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar, GTDC Chairman Nilesh Kabral, GCCI President Mangirish Pairaikar, Tourism Director Nikhil Desai and others participated in the interaction.
Taking law and order in your hand is not permissible. And I can assure you, one by one, I will take steps where if any taxiwala takes law and order in his hand, I will see that he is put behind bar. I cannot accept it. But neither can you take it. The second aspect of it, you should also not break the law, nor the basic concept that a local man should be preferred.
Tourism Director Nikhil Desai briefed industry on state plans. Desai informed that department will soon sign an agreement with the Seaplane Agency to promote adventure sports in Goa.
Governance Limited, the dialogues have already been initiated. Seaplanes, we are on the verge of signing an agreement with the seaplane operator and introducing several adventure sports.
Our reporter Laukik Shilkar with Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.